Okay guys, TABATA exercise, 4 rounds, 4 exercises, as you can see here, okay? You'll be going for 20 on, 10 off. Make sure you're warm beforehand, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell. You'll get all the workouts as we go, okay? So just stick with it. In 10 seconds, just go with me. 10 from now. First exercise, kettlebell swing. Remember, it's a hip hinge movement, and then arms don't really work, okay? Okay, excellent stuff. Next one is a half burpee to upright row. Make sure the high elbows on each. Okay, next one is a new one. All you're basically going to do is a bent over row to a punch. From this bent over row, drop down, stand, punch. Row, punch. Row, punch. Keep going. Row, punch. Knees aren't going past the toes as we punch every time, and you're going to push it out there. Excellent. Next one is a thruster. Feet shoulder apart. You're going to sit right into this. Here we go. And up. And up. And up. And up. Keep going. Remember, modify as required. Do less. Less weight. More weight. Whatever you feel is best for you. First round complete. Let's go. Keep going. I'll do it from the front now. Here we go. Excellent. Okay, next, half burpee to upright row. Now you're going to bring in a bit of a deadlift into this as well. You keep the kettlebell close to the body all the time, like so. High elbow, back down. Back down. That's it. Keep going. And relax. 10 seconds. Next one, bent over row to punch. So you're in the bent over row position, nice flat back. You're going to pull, stand and punch. Pull, stand and punch. Pull, stand and punch. Keep going. Pull, stand and punch. Halfway. Pull, stand and punch. Pull, stand and punch. Get the last one in. And the next one then is thruster and puts us halfway into our workout. There we go. 10 seconds. Keep going. Whoa. Excellent. Second round down. Third round coming up. Kettlebell swing. We go up the side again. Here we go. Remember, your arms don't do the work. Your hinge, your hips, core engage at the top, and keep it going. Oh, keep going. Keep going. Excellent. Okay. Half burpee to upright row. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, here we go. All the way down, nice and tight. Legs getting worked, upper body, everything. Okay, kettlebell, bent over row to punch. Again, and punch. And punch. And punch. Keep going. And punch. Remember, use a weight that's suitable for you to be able to continue this. Want to go harder? Repeat. Repeat. So somebody do it 3 times for me. That's 24 minutes. Okay? Trust her. Ooh, here we go. So post it if you do it. Tell me how you get on. I know if you watched. Hold on, I don't care. Whoa, excellent. Last round. Kettlebell swing. To the front. Here we go. Really getting into it now. As I said, add it to a workout. Do it at the end of a big long workout. The end of a run. Start your journey with kettlebells. We're at TABATA. It's simple. There's nice breaks. You can keep going. KB's finished. KB half burpee, upright row. You don't have to use a kettlebell for this. Use one dumbbell. And you can do everything the same, which I'll cover. Post comments on the YouTube channel as well. Anything you want to see. On the WhatsApp channel, anything you want to see. Tell me. I'm going to keep doing it. That's it. Okay. Bent over row to punch. So row, stand and punch. Okay. Row, stand and punch. So you're getting another nearly a straight leg deadlift out of this. And push it out. And punch. And punch. That's it. Super stuff. Last exercise. It's probably the best exercise out of all of them. It's your thrusters, yeah? Here we go. Oh, yeah. Keep going. Push it out, last few. Come on. Push it out. Come on, keep going. Woo! And that's kettlebell 8-minute TABATA workout. Full body's being worked there. Okay? Well done.